Good day, Unveiled. Dive into English expressions. Hello language explorers. Today, we're going to delve into a very common English greeting, good day. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means, but also when and how to use it. Good day is a greeting that has been in use for centuries. It originally comes from the Old English greeting where people would wish each other a pleasant or good day ahead. While it might sound formal to some ears today, it was once a common way to greet others, especially during the daytime. Good day is versatile and can be used in various contexts. 1. Formal situations. It's often used in more formal settings or when you want to sound polite. For example, upon entering a shop or addressing an audience. 2. Daytime greeting. As the name suggests, good day is primarily used during the daytime. It's similar to saying, good morning, or good afternoon. 3. Parting phrase. Apart from being a greeting, it can also be used as a farewell. Saying, good day, when leaving is like wishing someone a pleasant day ahead. Good day is universally understood in English-speaking countries, but its usage can vary. 1. Australia. Here, you might hear good day, a colloquial contraction of good day, especially among friends or in informal settings. 2. UK and other parts. In some places, it's still common in formal settings or among strangers. While good day is straightforward, there are a couple of things to watch out for. 1. Time of day. Remember, good day is best suited for daytime. Using it at night might sound odd. 2. Overuse. While it's a lovely greeting, using it repeatedly in a short span, for example, greeting every person in a room with good day, might sound robotic or insincere. And there you have it, a deep dive into the simple yet versatile greeting of good day. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, usage, and the nuances around it. So the next time you want to greet someone with a touch of formality or simply wish them well, you know what to say. Until next time, good day to you all.